Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Hello everyone, today I will be making Creole chicken and shrimp smack your mama. Ingredients needed is slap your mama, mozzarella cheese, kosher salt, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, parsley, black pepper, seasoning salt, Creole seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, and it has some herbs, fresh herbs. There's also some chicken and shrimp. About half bag of shrimp. We also need a cast iron and a saute pan. Okay, starting with my boneless chicken. I'm going to cut it into half. Let's see how I cut it in half. I'm going to cut down the middle. Either way, from the side or the middle of the chicken. I'm going to cut down there and I'm going to stuff it with mozzarella cheese. Every last one of them. Now I'm going to stuff the inside of the chicken with the mozzarella cheese. Make sure I have enough in there. And I'm going to complete this process on all the chicken until I'm done. Okay, everything is stuffed, loaded, and ready to go. Now I have my seasonings that I'm going to put on top of the chicken. Make sure it's well seasoned. A little bit of garlic. Not too much to your liking. Some kosher salt. About a teaspoonful. You don't want it to be too salty. You want everything to be just right. I also have some cayenne pepper. I'm going to pour about a teaspoon on that as well. See? It's cayenne pepper. Black pepper. About a teaspoon of that as well. Everything I'm using about a teaspoon because I don't want nothing to be too salty. Seasoning salt, all purpose. About a teaspoon of that as well. Creole seasoning. I'm going to use teaspoons of that as well. Slap your mama. Don't you ever think about slapping your mama, but it's good enough that when you taste it, it comes to your mind, but if you do it, I'm sure you'll get knocked down, so don't try it. Got a teaspoon of that as well. That's the Cajun. Now we're going to put some herbs in there. Some fine herbs. Now I have the olive oil. I'm going to place it in the skillet. Just put enough at the bottom that it will actually cover the bottom of the pan. Now that the grease is warm enough, the oil, olive oil, I'm gonna put the cut up onions and the garlic. And I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. I'm gonna actually stir the onions and garlic until they're like a golden brown. Now I'm gonna add a half a stick of butter to the saute pan for the shrimp and let that melt. Okay, I think it's golden enough. Now I'm gonna add the chicken to the pan and let it sit there for a little while. Approximately 12 minutes on the first side, then on the another side do another 13. Want to make sure the chicken is done because it's a thick layer, but you don't want to make it too well done that it's tough. We're going to add some parsley to the chicken. Now we're going to add the Worcestershire sauce. We're going to add some lemon juice fresh squeezed lemon juice to the chicken. Okay, now we're going to actually add the shrimp to the melted butter. They're deveined. They have the tail on. But everything was washed. Chicken, all that stuff, before I even started cooking it, was already washed. Okay, now I'm going to add some cayenne to the shrimp. Cayenne, red pepper. Some slap your mama if you think you bad. Add some Creole seasoning. We're adding some red pepper flakes to the shrimp. Now we're going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice in the shrimp as well. Make sure we stir the seasons in there good. Make sure everything is evenly seasoned. Okay, you see the shrimp? Actually, it's starting to turn a little pink, a little orange, whatever color it is. Show you that they're cooking. The chicken as well. Look at that. Looks great, right? Now I'm just going to cover the chicken and make sure it cooks all the way through. And let it sit there for a little while, about 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add some crema to the shrimp for a saute sauce, so I can add to the top of the chicken once everything is all said and done. Okay, now I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese to the top of the chicken so it can melt. Okay, now I'm going to add the shrimp to the top of the chicken. Make sure we add some juice on the chicken and shrimp. Let that sit there and, run its course. I actually added some parsley to the top of the dish. Look at that. Looks great, right? Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.